Welcome to Konakollu classes. Welcome to Konakollu classes. Today I am going to discuss transitive verbs and intransitive verbs, which are very important, which gives that means which takes the important role in the change of voice from active voice to passive voice. What is a transitive verb? Transitive verb means a transitive verb is a verb that denotes the action which passes over to the object. It means in one sentence, mostly two parts are there, nominally three parts are there. Subject and predicate two parts, and subject, verb and object. So, in any sentence which has no object, only verb is followed, then it is called transitive verb. It is called intransitive verb. If any sentence which has verb and object, it is that verb is called transitive verb. Only we can change the voice when it is a transitive verb. When it is a transitive verb. For example, he writes a letter. Here, he subject, writes verb and letter object. So this action is being passed to the object. That is why it is called, this writes is called a transitive verb. Here secondly, intransitive verb is a verb that denotes the action that does not pass over to the object. For example, he goes to Guntur. Where is the object here? No object, only verb. So it is intransitive verb. And here how to change? Before changing the voice, before going to the voice, at first, before going to change of voice, we have to learn these categories under present tense. It is very important. First category under present tense, simple present tense. Simple present tense. Second category, present continuous. Third category, present perfect. And fourth category, present perfect continuous. So what is, when should we use this simple present tense? When the action, the time is not defined. When the time is not defined, we use this simple present tense. And when the action is going on, then we use present continuous tense. And the third one, present perfect, when the action is just finished. When the action is just finished, then we use present perfect tense. And next, present perfect continuous is used when the action already started, still going on, then we use present perfect continuous tense. And in which conditions we use this simple present tense? For universal truths, regular habits and universal truths. What are the regular habits? For example, if you are asked to write about your routine, daily routine work, Mostly nowadays children are using in one sentence three tenses: present tense, past tense, and also future tense. If you are asked when do you get up, what do you say? I will get up. I will get up at 6 o'clock every day. Every day means regular habit it is. So regular work, regular habit should be expressed in simple present tense. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush up my teeth. I take my bath. I take my breakfast, and I set my books in my bag. I go to school and I learn lessons at school. Like this, everything should be daily work and habitual work should be in simple present tense. When the action is going on, for example, you are writing your work, then you have to use continuous tense. Like this, four categories, under four categories, how to change here in this, how to change from active verb to passive verb. Let us go to that. Now, voice means change of voice from active verb to passive verb. Here, first category, simple present tense, we have to learn how to change from active verb to passive verb in simple present tense. Here, one example I have given: I eat a mango. I eat a mango. I eat a mango. Here, I is subject, and subject means doer. Subject means doer. Eat means verb. It is means work. And object is a mango, sufferer. Object is a mango. Here, in this process, while changing, object comes in the place of subject and subject goes in the place of object, because in active voice, subject is important. And in passive voice, object plays prominent role. In active voice, subject plays a prominent role, and in passive voice, object plays prominent role. And the verb is changed here in this process: is plus V3. Is plus V3. V3 means eat, ate, eaten. V3. So how to change this? A mango is eaten by me. That is passive voice. A mango is eaten by me. Here, if the object is in plural number, if the object is in plural number, how to change then? Are. Mangoes are eaten by me. But process is same. Process is same. So, simple present tense, active verb is changed into passive verb in this process, in this way. Active voice, we play cricket. This is also simple present tense only, children. When you look at the verb, you have to understand it is in simple present tense. Okay. Now, we play cricket. Here, play is in simple present tense, verb is in simple present tense. How does it change while going into passive voice? Is plus or is or are plus V3. Is or are plus V3. Object is in singular number. So we have to use is only. Cricket is played by us. Cricket is played by us. This is the simple present tense how to change from active voice to passive voice. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఆ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా నొక్కండి. దాని ద్వారా మేము చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో యొక్క నోటిఫికేషన్ మీకు వస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ కానుకొల్లు క్లాసెస్.